Hi, my name is Aminbo. Today, I'll share with you a Japanese special hot spring and very beautiful place. I'll introduce three places today, and I'm going to make handicraft inspired by this place. This is Oita prefecture. It's located about 3 hours away from Tokyo by plane. It is a beautiful place with rich nature. At first, we went to a private bath. This bath is in the mountains. You can use it without a reservation. We'll pay 1,600 yen per family. This hot spring is a self-service hot spring. We have to prepare the bath ourselves. It's just very simple. We just have to open the water from the faucet for about 5 minutes, and after that we're good to go. Don't worry about peeping toms, because that area is guarded and peeping is prohibited. So you can be relaxed and suit muffled and body pain that you got from working hard this week. Moreover, the water is crystal clear and totally safe. Also, don't forget to try their hot spring boiled eggs. These eggs are boiled using the hot spring. Taste is very mild and nice. After enjoying the warm bath on the hot spring, let's move to the next place. We have 2 more places to go for today. First, let's stop at the mountain. You can enjoy this mountain because it has a very beautiful view of the surrounding area, and you can also see a small body of water. If you want to see a wider look of the area, you can ride the ropeway and reach the peak of the mountain. From there, the view is much better. But unfortunately, today is a cloudy day. Let's go to next place. This is a local town train station, which is considered as the highest train station from the ground in Kyushu. This station is Namino Station. The altitude is 754 meters, which is the highest in Kyushu. Now let's make buttons of the same color as this flower. We'll prepare 5 materials. Let's make a button using your favorite color. Now we have a thread button. You can showcase your handicraft by putting it on your clothes. After the pandemic, please come here and enjoy hot springs. Thank you for watching.